I know that French verb can be confusing, especially when they look like this. If you're new or not, don't forget to grab your free PDF of this lesson and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me. Now, let's start the lesson and let's see the differences between joindre, se joindre, se rejoindre. These four verbs are all related to the idea of joining, but they have slightly different meanings and uses in French. In this lesson, we are going to see each one with example, and I'm going to explain it to you in very simple words, so I'm sure you will understand everything. Let's start with joindre. Joindre, the first one, translates to attach, to join. It's a transitive verb. And what is a transitive verb? It just means that you need to have an object after. You can't have a sentence with just joindre. That's the end. That doesn't happen. It has to have something after. Same thing in English when you think about it, so it's not too hard. Joindre describes the action of connecting or attaching two things. Okay? This is not a verb for people. That's very important to remember. Let's see two examples you will see. Je vais joindre ce document à ma lettre. Je vais joindre ce document à ma lettre. So, ce document is the object, like I said. I'm going to attach this document to my letter. So, same in English. Very easy. Another one. Merci de joindre 2 photos pour votre carte d'identité. Merci de joindre 2 photos pour votre carte d'identité. So here, in both examples, we can see that we attach, we join two things together. Okay? So we have the document and the letter, the pictures and the idea. Okay? Just attach them. Okay, joindre. Got it? Second one on the list, we have se joindre. Se joindre, which is the exact same verb, but it's the reflexive verb. So this one means to join. If you don't know what is a reflexive verb, the reflexive verb means that the action is performed on the subject. Okay? So this verb is used to describe the action of joining a group or taking part in something somewhere else. The somewhere else is very important. Most often it will be followed by à, the preposition à. Se joindre à. Okay, let's see. Je vais me joindre à eux pour le déjeuner. Je vais me joindre à eux pour le déjeuner. Second example and then we can talk about it. Nous avons invité nos amis à se joindre à nous pour le dîner. Nous avons invité nos amis à se joindre à nous pour le dîner. So here, the important thing to understand is that only one of them, the one impacted by the verb, is moving. It's very important for this lesson. It will make more sense when we see se rejoindre. But let's look at the first one. Je vais me joindre à eux. So I'm going to join them. So they are already there. I'm the one taking myself and joining them. Make sense? So they don't move. They stay. I am the one going. Okay? For the second one, we are inviting our friends to join us. So here we are staying, but our friends are coming. So with this verb, it's only a one-way movement. So only the subject impacted by the reflexive verb is going to move to come join the other one. Make sense? Which, if it doesn't now, it will later. Let's go to the next one. So the next one we have rejoindre. Rejoindre. So it's like the first one, joindre, but with re in front of it. Rejoindre translates to join, to meet, and it's used the exact same way as in English. It's all about people. So this verb is used to describe the action of going back to a place or returning to someone. Let's see. Je vais rejoindre ma famille à la maison. Je vais rejoindre ma famille à la maison. On va rejoindre nos amis en Espagne. On va rejoindre nos amis en Espagne. So here you see you're either returning to a place or returning to someone. So joining someone, meeting up with someone. Exact same use as in English. And then we have the last one, se rejoindre, which can be the most intimidating of the fourth, but I actually think it's the easiest one. So it's obviously a reflexive verb, once again. So that means that the action is going to be performed on the subject. Once again, this verb is used to describe the action of meeting up with someone. So we just saw se joindre, which was about one person joining someone else. And I really insisted about the fact that it was only one person, movement of one person. Here, with se rejoindre, two people or a group of people are moving to meet somewhere. That's why we have re in front of joindre. Okay? So here we have both movements. Both. Let's see. Nous allons nous rejoindre à l'aéroport. Nous allons nous rejoindre à l'aéroport. Obviously, none of us lives at the airport. So we both have to go. Okay? Nous allons nous rejoindre à l'aéroport. We're both going. And then we're meeting there. Another one. On était en retard, donc on a décidé de se rejoindre directement au magasin. On était en retard, donc on a décidé de se rejoindre directement au magasin. Once again, none of us lives at the store, so we are both going to join at the store. Okay? Both of the subjects are in movement. That's it. That was joindre, se joindre, rejoindre, se rejoindre. I really hope it helped. If you have any question, if you have a doubt about it, just let me know in the comment section and I will do my best to help you. Please don't forget to download your free PDF and I will see you again next Wednesday for a new lesson. À mercredi prochain.